Hello to everyone present here. I am Nitin Sharma of grade 10. I am not here standing before you because I got a choice to speak, but I am for sure speaking here because I got an opportunity which I didn't want to get wasted. Today, I wanted to discuss with you what I fear the most and what most of us are confused about. It's the future. The future which will decide your life's path, which will tell you where you will be standing in the upcoming years. Now, I cannot decide your future, not your parents, your friends or teachers, but surely you can. It's you who can unfold the mystery of future. At this point of time, it's obvious to all of us that we are deciding our career path, what we intend to pursue it. Some of us might want to be doctors, engineers, professors, teachers, etc. These are some of the good choices available today. Yeah, you heard me right, today. Has anyone thought of it, what it will be tomorrow? You might be opening a company of your own. Has anyone thought of becoming a successful person who intends to change the society? Anyone? Some of you might not have that thought about changing the society because you fear to fail at it. To fail is not bad, but to not try is bad, what I believe. When you lose, don't lose the lesson. What will matter to you the most is that you try to get something even if things didn't turn up the way they were supposed to. I don't intend to disrespect any parent present here, but to think that a child won't be able to pursue the path he or she intends to hurts me. If something is done with interest, it's success. What problem some of my friends might be facing today is that they don't get to choose what they want to. I believe if parents is caring for a child, it's well and good. But sometimes, in that case, you might just be pulling the finger so hard that it might even break. I want all my friends to follow their parents because they think good about their child and don't want anyone to break their heart. But think about the happiness they might just get even if they fail at it, if they try something they want to. There would be no regrets in future. But I won't make this speech even more boring by speaking more on it. Just want you all to know that in order for your future to be secured, you have to live your present to the utmost without worrying. Choose the path which will take you to the path of success, which will have happiness alongside. Now, we have arrived at the close where we began. Your future lies with you. It's on you whether you want it to be a simple one or a unique one. Thank you.